Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you all how to make this earrings. Materials needed: scissors, metal wire, cutting plier and pearls. Take a metal wire of this size, bend it and make a loop. Now put the pearl inside it. It will look like this. Now bend the wire and make another loop, small loop. And the extra wires, wind it in the center of it. And cut the extra wire. And wind it tightly. Now you can find two hooks. Now take another wire, insert inside one of the hook and make another hook. Now put the small bead inside it. Make another loop. Hold it firmly, hold the pearl and keep winding it, twisting it nicely. Now cut the extra wire. Now take a long wire, insert inside it and make it into two equal halves. Now twist the wires, both the ends, and start twisting the wires tightly. Now once when it is, then make a U loop. If the wire is big enough, give it a slight trim. Final finish will look. If you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe so that you can watch more videos.